flow, a good everything, good in pen. He's a poetic that boy. Mara ke re banong ya re ke re banong re etsa banong tabi banong re na metsa thapa. 3 ka spale ke 3 ya ga 8. Em fe 3 go dropile na banong I upload. I upload very much for 3. And I upload. Your session is then door banong bon. Aksa upload. Ka motlalo. What kalo I upload that boy. Ter album at the same time. Ter album at the same time. Don't tell us about the Goose Red House and so forth. He had that in him. You motherfuckers were while we are speaking, then I like us. Then he was fucking busy. That boy, he was fucking busy. And I like that. I'm in love with that album. I keep on listening to it. I listen it to it, that album. Iceman. Go and listen. And then he threw the tower there. At room 3, 4. You know, he threw the tower. Millions went out for that boy to release that album. That's part of marketing, bro. You can't even do this. You can't even start. You don't even have a start to do it. You see, I talk too much, and you talk too much, and then we also talk. But then I'm on you. I'm here to tell you this is our third episode of the Speed Podcast. You see, you're busy there discriminating everybody there, not. You know, you have to stop that. Charisma fishing must come out, and I have to make sure that I meet charisma fishing.